Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit 9. Today I'm going to show you how to install Krita on Windows 11. First, let's start by opening your web browser. You can use any browser of your choice, like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Next, in the address bar, type krita.org and press Enter. This will take you to the official Krita website. It's always best to download software from the official website to ensure you're getting the latest and safest version. Once you're on the Krita homepage, look for the Download button at the top of the page and click on it. You should now see a page with various download options. Since we're installing Krita on a Windows 11 machine, select the Windows option. You'll see a few different versions available, but for most users, the 64-bit installer is the best choice. Click on the Download Krita Windows Installer button to start the download. Now, depending on your internet speed, this download might take a few minutes. While we're waiting, let me tell you a bit about Krita. Krita is a powerful, open-source painting program that's great for both beginners and professional artists. It's especially popular for digital painting, concept art, and illustration. Once the download is complete, open the Downloads folder on your computer. You should see a file named something like kritax.xx setup.xe. The numbers will depend on the current version. Double-click on the installer file to start the installation process. If a security prompt appears, just click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. You'll then see the Krita setup wizard. Follow the prompts to continue with the installation. First, select your preferred language and click Next to proceed, then read through the license agreement. If you agree with the terms, select I agree to accept the license agreement. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the installation location. For most users, the default location is fine, so you can just click Next to continue. After that, you'll see a screen asking you to choose the components you want to install. Make sure both Krita and shell integration are selected, and then click Next. You'll then need to accept the Krita shell extension license agreement by clicking I agree. You will then be asked to choose a Start menu folder for the Krita shortcuts. I prefer to leave it as the default, so just click Next again. On the next screen, you have the option to create a desktop icon for Krita. If you'd like to have an icon on your desktop, check the Create a Desktop Icon box, then click Next. Finally, click Install to begin the installation process. This might take a minute or two, so sit tight while Krita installs. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Finish to close the installer. Congratulations! Krita is now installed on your Windows 11 PC. You can find it in your Start menu or on your desktop, depending on your installation preferences. And that's it. You're all set to start creating amazing digital art with Krita. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.